What's up, you guys? Welcome back to another review with Get Free with Annie. That's me. I'm Annie. What are we talking about today? We are talking about Fullstaq Marketer. I would just like to say that I've researched this course very thoroughly. I've spent a lot of woman hours, my multiple years of experience, my thousands of dollars spent on courses. I feel confident that I can give you a good review. However, I just have to say that I have not purchased this course. So any information that you're getting in today's review is opinion-based, and you can do all of this research on your own. It's all public information. And with that, let's get right into this one today. Fullstaq Marketer, what is it? It's a series of courses, actually, by someone named Keala Kanae, and it teaches affiliate marketing, all of the basics of it. There's very low ticket, entry-level courses, and then there's very, very high ticket upsells where you could be spending insane amounts of money. It's one of those affiliate marketing courses like Wealthy Affiliate or Legendary Marketer that is teaching you affiliate marketing in the sense that it's teaching you how to promote its own product. So you're learning how to be an affiliate marketer for Fullstaq Marketer. So you buy Fullstaq Marketer, the course, they teach you how to be an affiliate marketer to promote their course, Fullstaq Marketer. So it's an affiliate marketing course that you can use to learn affiliate marketing in general, but they really push you to sell Fullstaq Marketer as your affiliate product. But they really push you to promote their course only, Fullstaq Marketer. I mean, they don't push you to only promote their course, but they only really teach you how to promote their course. A lot of people, when they hear that, they feel like that sounds kind of scammy. They are providing you with value. They're providing you with training. So you can't really call it a scam because you are getting value with it. You can take what you learn from it and you can use it to promote other affiliate products. You would just have to do a little bit more learning and more research. Having said that, there are a lot of much better affiliate marketing courses and strategies out there and a lot better trainings that show you how to be an affiliate marketer just in general for any product that you want. And the best type of affiliate marketing trainings and courses that you can find are ones that also teach you how to get traffic, because that's the only way you're going to make sales is if you know how to get traffic. So affiliate marketing courses that are teaching you high ticket affiliate marketing and showing you how to get traffic, those are the ones that you want to find. And I will link a few of my favorite options in the description below. Okay, but back to Fullstaq Marketer. Who was it created by, and can you trust him? Keala Kanae is an online marketer that has been in this arena for about a decade. He is a little bit controversial, however, because he used to sell a course called AWOL Academy that is actually no longer available due to rumors of very bad reviews. Okay, so what's different about this one than any other affiliate marketing course you might be searching for? There's really not a whole lot different about this one. It's pretty similar to any other basic affiliate marketing course that you find like Wealthy Affiliate or Legendary Marketer, except that it doesn't have as good of a reputation. Okay, so what's included? There are a lot of little courses and a lot of upsells as well. There's one called the Business Launch Challenge, which is very similar to the 15-day business challenge that Legendary Marketer offers. And there's another easily accessible one called the Fullstaq Accelerator, which is the next level up and very similar to Legendary Marketer's Business Accelerator. As you can kind of sense, they are modeling their curriculum after Legendary Marketer. If you're gonna pick one or the other, I would definitely pick Legendary Marketer. They've been around for a lot longer. They have way better reviews. They've got a lot of successful students. And if you're interested in that one, I will link that in the description below as well. Also with Fullstaq Marketer, there are other higher level products such as mastermind groups and private coaching, but they are not advertised. And the rest of the products require that you get on a sales call in order to hear more about them. This usually means they're gonna cost at least a couple $1,000s when you have to get on a phone call. So just keep that in mind. So I'm gonna focus on the two lower level accessible products, the Business Launch Challenge and the Fullstaq Accelerator. What's included with the Business Launch Challenge is that it's a pretty grueling 3-day challenge and training that promises to teach you how to start an online business, but there's a ton of information and a lot of videos, so get ready for that. And then the Fullstaq Accelerator has about 6 modules that are a whole bunch of videos that total about 20 hours. So if you're wondering if this would be good for you, who Fullstaq Marketer would be good for is if you are a complete beginner and you have no idea if you want to be an affiliate marketer or not, and you just want to kind of get into a very basic mindset of what an affiliate marketer does. This could be good for you. The Business Launch Challenge, that could just kind of help you decide whether or not you even want to try affiliate marketing or not. And then who would this not be good for? If you have decided that you really do want to do affiliate marketing and you really want to commit to it and make money from it and be a high ticket affiliate marketer and make a bunch of money online, this would not be good for you. You need a more in-depth, higher level training course with a better reputation and more proof of student success. Okay, so what are the pros? It's a low cost for the entry level courses. There is access to a private Facebook group where you can ask questions. And there are some decent student testimonials from the basic trainings just saying that they learned a lot and they felt like it was a good mindset type training. Okay, so what are the cons? There's very little training on how to promote any other product besides Fullstaq Marketer itself. You are gonna end up having to pay for additional tools and products throughout the process. They don't provide those up front. There are a lot of upsells within the training, so get ready to be kind of pushed and badgered into spending more money to actually be successful. And just the sales pitch of it is very overhyped and full of fluff. There's fake scarcity saying that, it's gonna be gone soon and there's not very many spaces left, and that's just not true. So testimonials, I always like to put some testimonials in here so you can see what other people are saying about this. I have not been able to verify if these couple testimonials from the website are from real students, but if they are real, they sound like the students who took the basic training courses are pretty happy with them. So one person said, Fullstaq Marketer is awesome. The training and setup is really good. They made it easy so that anyone can do it. All the people, the team are very nice, caring, understanding, patient people. They know what they're doing and teach very well. I learned so much from them. And then one other one was, I purchased my first Fullstaq Marketer training course middle of February 2023. I also purchased the 3-day business launch challenge. I hoped to gain more tech help and consistency by attending the basic launch challenge, which I totally did because their advisors, tutors, and co-pilots are beyond patient and helpful. So it sounds like the team working for him is very patient and helpful with anybody who's got questions. So that's really nice to hear. There are also some pretty good reviews on Trustpilot. However, I haven't been able to find any review from anyone saying that they have actually made money from Fullstaq Marketer. Okay, so what's the cost? The cost of the initial low-end product called the Business Launch Challenge is $39. That's pretty affordable. And the next level up is the Fullstaq Accelerator, which is $99, still very affordable. And it seems like many of the students who have made testimonials feel like both of these basic courses are very helpful in just learning the basics of affiliate marketing. So the only thing to be aware of as far as cost goes is just to be very careful of the upsells once you purchase one of these basic courses. You're gonna get inundated with a bunch of upsells and people saying like, if you really wanna make money with this, if you really wanna be successful and make the big bucks, like you have to buy the bigger courses, you have to pay more money. So just be careful of that. Obviously, if you're gonna get mentorships and someone holding your hand and telling you that there's maybe guarantees of profit, obviously you're going to pay more money for that because there's more value there. The only thing that I don't like about Fullstaq Marketers upsells from what I can find is that the prices of them are very hidden until you're inside of the basic training and talking to people on his team. So I just don't like how hidden everything is. I'm very wary of stuff like that. So I do believe that people should get paid more money for more value. So if they're providing very good mentorships and providing a lot more value, I don't see any reason why they shouldn't be paid more, but I just don't like the vibe of how hidden everything is. It feels pretty shady to me, especially because the price of the upsells go as high as $15,000 according to some people on Reddit and other forums like that. There's no mention at all of those upsells on their website, so that just feels a little bit sketchy to me. Okay, so are there guarantees and refunds? For the entry-level product, the Business Launch Challenge, that's $39, there is something called the Business or Bankroll Guarantee, which says that they will set you up with products that are proven to convert. They will launch your online business from scratch, including the website and funnels. They will get traffic to your website and get leads on your email list. All of this is promised to you, and if they fail to deliver, they say, we will pay you back double the cost of your admission. So you would get a whopping $80 back. There is also a 14-day money-back guarantee for the Business Accelerator if you are unhappy for any reason. So that's pretty good. Okay, so my final thoughts. Is it worth it? I can't make that decision for you as everybody's situation is different. However, Fullstaq Marketer's Business Challenge and Accelerator seem like a couple of okay affiliate marketing courses that can teach you the basic skills of affiliate marketing. However, if you want to sell anything else other than Fullstaq Marketer, you're probably going to have to do a little bit more learning and research on your own afterwards. And personally, I think that Legendary Marketer is a better option. There's more proof and they've been around a long time and they have pretty much nothing but positive reviews. As far as the upsells go, I cannot recommend purchasing any of those once you are in the trainings because I have no idea what they are about or how much they cost or anything about them because it's all very hidden. So I would say to steer clear of those just from what I know from experience. So my final thoughts, there are questionable marketing tactics. It's very basic and I think there are better alternatives. So my final verdict, I do not personally recommend purchasing any of the Fullstaq Marketer courses. There are much better alternatives in my opinion for learning the basic skills of affiliate marketing. I will link them in my description below if you are interested. And I hope that you enjoyed today's review. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope you choose today to get free.